In this video, I'll show you how to find your lost PowerBeats Pro. So in case you lose them, the good thing is that they're compatible with Find My, and you'll be able to see the last location where they were connected to your phone. And this works with the iPhone and also Android. I'll show you with both. Let me show you with the iPhone. So let me put these aside. Let's say they got lost somewhere. Go and search for the Find My app on your phone, the one that was connected with them previously. Open the app, and then on the map over here you're going to see different devices that you have, Apple devices. Make sure that you have selected devices if you do not see this down below. And then in this list you should find your PowerBeats Pro. Once you see them, click, and then on the map you're going to see again the last place they got connected to your phone. So if you lost them at the park, you're probably going to see a map with the place in the park where they were last connected, and then the address over here, if just to help you find them easier. Then you have play sound and also direction. If you click direction, it will simply give you direction to the point on the map you're seeing. The thing with play sound is you need to make sure that they're still having battery inside. So if you lost them, let's say a few days ago, there's a good chance that they don't have any battery left. So it will be hard for the phone to connect to them and play the sound. But just to demonstrate, let's say these were in the grass, I don't see them. If I press play sound, you see, I don't know if you hear, they'll make this beep. And you can select if you want to hear only the left, only the right side, sorry, or turn this off. So this was on the iPhone. It also works with the iPad if they were connected to your iPad, how to find your lost PowerBeats Pro. Now on the Android, you won't have the Find My app. You'll need to download the Beats app. If you have an Android device, you probably already have the Beats app, since this unlocks many different features. Open the app and then press the top left corner here. Select Locate My Beats. So these are my PowerBeats, and you're gonna have a map over here the same way we have on the iPhone. Now the single thing that is not compatible with these and Android is you won't be able to play a sound. So even if I click over here on PowerBeats Pro, even if I click again, nothing is happening. It does not give me the options to play a sound. So you're gonna have to rely on the map only, which is a bit more difficult, especially if you lost them inside of your house, let's say in the couch. It won't be very helpful, but if you lost them outside your home, it's still better than nothing. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.